And now guys, we will speak about the third method. It will iterate over the file. So it means you can use these two methods like read it and iterate it in one approach. So it means I will print the text here. So method 3 iterate like this, and I would start with width, open again, and use it lines.txt. Okay, it's still the same. Again, it's a read mode as file, and now you can iterate it immediately. So it means for example, line in file. Okay, you use this file here, and you can iterate, so it will automatically put the first line, the second line, third line, and so on and so on. So we will print it line, and again we will put it here a strip, because we don't want to have /n there. So we have the method 3. Yes, I will put it here like this. Run it, and you can see method 3 iterate, and again we iterate the lines. Okay, so I hope you understand. So now we have different approaches how to read lines and work with single line.